मडगावच्या एसजीपीडीए गांवक नुस्त्या मार्केटात घाणी पडल्यात। किरकोळ नुस्ते विक्रेत्यांच्या बुरशेपणाक लागून हांगसर घाणी पडल्यात। नुस्ते आनी फळ विक्रेत्यांची जाग नितळ आसली तरी बिल्डिंगे भायर आशिल्ली गटारां कोयरान भरल्यात। कोयर प्रक्रिया प्रकल्पूय फाटल्या कांय दिसां सावन बंद आसा। ह्या कारणाक लागून मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयान मडगाव पालिका आनी एसजीपीडीएचे कान उडिल्ले। तशेंच मार्केटाची पळोवणी करून नितळसाणे खातीर पावलां उबारची असो आदेश उच्च न्यायालयान दिल्लो। ते प्रमाण मडगाव पालिका आनी एसजीपीडीएन संयुक्त पळोवणी केली।
In morning, people are sitting here and are doing retail business. So we are trying to come out with a solution for this issue, whether to allow or not to allow. Because this here, the retail fish market is not allowed, and SGPDA is having a separate retail fish market for that. So we are discussing the matter. Honorable High Court has directed us to take a meeting of all the stakeholders. So we are finalizing the date for taking the meeting also. The meeting will be held in Municipal Council Hall. All these issues will be resolved by next.
So why municipality is not taking on? There's a lot of talking going on this road. Why municipality is not acting on that?
Municipality has already removed the fruit vendors and the vegetable vendors.
So it is only for one day.
No,
It will be a continuous process.
municipal inspectors I have called.
ना काल बसून आशिल्ले बसून कोण काय करना तुमगेले इन्स्पेक्टरय करना तुमगेले कामगारय काम करना फकत सायकलीचेर बसता हांगा येवन आनी खबऱ्यो मारता
फाल्याच्यान कोण तुमकां वेजिटेबल वेंडर आनी फ्रूट वेंडर दिवचे ना। आतां नुस्तेकार जे हांगासर भायर बसता पळय त्या इश्यूचेर आमी कितें तरी सोल्युशन काडटले। कित्याक नुस्तेकार हांगासर बसूंक शकना अशें म्हणून आमकां इंस्पेक्टर बिफोर द ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट 02 of 2007 where there are certain instructions which have been issued by Honorable High Court to go and inspect this place because there was one issue which was raised that the retail fish vendors are sitting outside and doing the business. Number one. Number two is that there is a lot of uncleanliness which is there, unhygienic. So this has to be maintained in hygienic manner. And there are few other issues like the TP which is not being functional. So we have been asked to go inspect and come out with some solution. MMC and SGPDA. So a joint inspection has been fixed. We are inspecting. We will come out with some solution.